Chemistry 460 is Chemistry in the Kitchen. This class is all about the molecules and chemical and physical changes associated with the food that we eat. And it is an important class because it applies to something that affects all of us, and it takes a lot of the chemical ideas that students have learned in other classes and brings them into a real-life application. It is also a new capstone course for the Chemistry and Biochemistry department. We have not previously had a capstone course. The other part about the course that's special is that it has a research component built into it where students are designing a research project over the course of the semester. And in the last 3 weeks of the lab, they are testing and running their own experiments that they have designed. And the poster session at the end of the course will tell the story of these research projects and the chemistry that the students discovered in the weeks that they did the project.